Hey, morning YouTube, and welcome to my channel, Biker Food Adventure. We have decided to travel this week to go to Gulf Coast ride to all the way to Florida. So me and my friend, we're leaving today. It's almost 3 o'clock, 2:30 in the afternoon, and we're leaving today from Houston, Texas. We're really west of Houston, near Katy, Texas. So we're leaving Katy, Texas today. I'm gonna meet him at the Buc-ee's gas station at the meetup point, and me and him, we're gonna go. Me and Bruce, he's my good friend, and we're gonna go to Gulf Coast for 5 days. It's gonna be amazing day. Amazing ride throughout those 5 days. Hopefully no rain. We had a rain pretty hard last 4 or 5 days, but if you look at the weather, it looks like nice and sunny, and it's beautiful. And so yeah, stay tuned for more places that you can all get to see. And my bike is loaded up with all the gear. This is, I call my triple black beast. So it's all fully loaded. All panniers are loaded. My jacket, helmet, my GoPro, everything is loaded. I got my dry bag in here. Another dry bag with my stuff. It's in here. I got my back pannier fully loaded with my electronics, computer, emergency supply. So it's all loaded up, and we are ready to go. So I'm gonna meet him at the meetup location, and we're just gonna drive from there. Talk to you all later.
Now is my time to shine.
Alright, so I just made it to Buc-ee's, the meetup point, where I'm gonna meet my friend Bruce. Doesn't look like he's here yet, because I just got the message from him that he's just leaving his house. He doesn't live that far from here, so he should be here in 15-20 minutes. But I'm gonna fill up the gas, guys, and get some supply, get some snacks, and get ready for the trip. So let me fill it up. Talk to you all later. Alright, so we just filled up the gas and got some snacks from the Buc-ee's right here, and we're getting ready. This is my friend Bruce right here. How you doing, Bruce? And we're gonna go and together and hit the Gulf Coast. We're on the road. We on the road for the adventure. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome, fun. So we're just getting ready here, and there we go. Close, start, close. All right, we good? Okay. Okay, we on the way. Hopefully, we won't run into a pretty bad traffic here. but we'll see. Alright guys, so on my right side you're seeing the Houston downtown right here. So that's the Houston downtown, and as you can see, the traffic has started building up, passing through the town. It's about 3:45 in the afternoon, almost evening. It's 3:45 in the evening, and we still have to. We're thinking we can make it all the way to Lafayette, Louisiana, which is about another 3 to 4 hours from here. And we haven't booked any hotel or any accommodation. We're just gonna, if we're tired and if we want to stop sooner, we're just gonna go ahead and stop somewhere on a highway and find a hotel to stay and sleep overnight and hop back on the road in the morning. But that's the plan for now, and I hope the plan works, because that's very important. Sometimes plan may not work, traffic issues, weather, but the weather seems to be very cooperative for now. We checked the weather forecast for next 5 days, and it seems to be a nice and sunny. We may run into a little bit of rain on the way back from Gulf Coast, but we'll just deal as it comes. But yeah, this is
Now is my time to shine.
okay, guys. So looks like we have made it to Lake Charles. It's about 4 miles from here. That's what it looks like. So yeah, it's almost 5 minutes after 6, and we're just gonna take the exit after 3 miles somewhere, and find a place to stay. I also need a gas on my bike, so yeah, we'll figure it out. But we're not that far from Lake Charles anymore. We almost there. Looks like on my left side there is a refinery right here for the oil. I'm not sure who is the operator is, but it's a pretty big refinery. Yeah, we're gonna pull here somewhere and figure out what to do. So, okay, I hope you all can see my GoPro. It's kind of getting dark, and just hopefully we will find something here. I think we just stay here. Oh. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure I tell my buddy Bruce that let's just stay here somewhere. Gas, definitely. Casino area. Yeah, I don't think we want to drive anymore. It's getting dark, and I think we can find some hotel around here where the food place is around, and just
that works for me.
Yeah. Okay, let's do it. All right, so we just checked into the hotel here, Best Western in Lake Charles, Louisiana. So here's the hotel. This is where we park our bike for now. Here is my buddy Bruce. We made it. We made it little bit. We still got a lot to go.
Lake Charles.
Yeah, Lake Charles.
We're gonna go have some good seafood.
And we're gonna go ahead and eat some seafood. So here it is. This is the place. Well, we're gonna go and start loading my stuff. So hey guys, so we're here in Lake Charles, Louisiana. I'm very tired. It's been a long day. I was at the work, and we left like around 3:30 from Houston, Katy, Texas, and we drove about close to a little over 200 miles to make it to Lake Charles because we wanted to cut the distance, but we got here about about an hour ago, and right now it's about 8:30. We came around 6:30, checked into this hotel. It's called Best Western in Lake Charles. It's a pretty decent hotel. As you can see, my eyes are tired. I'm very sleepy. So we checked in. We went to eat food at the seafood place. So the food was really good. I didn't take my GoPro there. It was just quick in and out dine. So we kind of sat there, had our meal, and now I'm back to the hotel and I'm about to crash out. So I'm just gonna sleep. We plan to leave early tomorrow morning, like around 6:30, 7 o'clock. However, one thing we did not know is tomorrow is going to be extremely cold. The cold front is coming up, and we took this in account, but then luckily we do have all the heated gear with us, so hopefully we'll be able to keep ourselves warm, but we'll see how it goes tomorrow morning. But the temperature by the time when we leave, it's going to be around close to 32, 34 Fahrenheit, so that's cold. And especially when you ride along the Gulf Shore, it's make you feel freeze. And but luckily we have all the heated gear, so we should be good. So yeah, I'm gonna crash out, guys, and talk to you all tomorrow morning.